I'm DannaClau for child DannaClau Fitness. So I'm super excited to show you guys how to do an elbow cartwheel. If you guys don't know what it is, it looks like this. Keep watching this video to learn how to do it. Let's get started. Okay, so the first trick that we're going to do is that we're going to open our legs and we're going to put our hips to our right side and we're going to go down. We're going to hold this for 20 seconds, starting right now. Now we're going to do this 10 times, okay? Starting right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now we're gonna go to a lunge like this. And we're gonna just pick up our knee like that. And we're gonna hold this for 20 seconds, starting right now. Now we're gonna bend our back knee. And we're gonna straighten our front leg like this. And we're gonna go down. We're gonna try to put our elbows down, okay? But if you can't do it, of course you don't have to do it, so don't force yourself. But if you do it, it's better if you do it. We're gonna hold this for 20 seconds, starting right now. Okay, now we're gonna go to a split. But we're not gonna pick up our arms. We're gonna go down like that, like this. And we're gonna hold this for 20 seconds, starting right now. Okay. Now we're gonna stand towards our left side and we're gonna go down. We're gonna hold this for 20 seconds, starting right now. Now we're gonna do this 10 times, okay? Starting right now. Six, seven, okay, now we're gonna go to our left lunge like this. And we're gonna hold this for 20 seconds, starting right now. Now we're gonna bend our back leg, straighten our front leg, and go down. We're gonna hold this for 20 seconds. Start right now. Okay, now we're gonna go to our left split, like this. And we're gonna put our elbows down. And we're gonna hold this for 20 seconds, starting right now. Okay, now we're gonna go like this. And we're gonna hold this for 30 seconds, starting right now. Okay, now we're gonna go to a butterfly stretch, and we're gonna just push our right side down. Okay, we're gonna hold this for 30 seconds, starting right now. Now we're gonna switch to the left side, and we're gonna hold this for the same amount of seconds, okay? Okay, now we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna go down. We're gonna try to push both legs down, but if you can't do it, obviously don't do it, but like try to, but you don't have to put it all the way down, okay? We're gonna hold this for 30 seconds, starting right. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you the steps of how to do an elbow handstand, okay? So the first thing that you have to know what to do is a regular cartwheel, and this is what it looks like. Go watch the video that I did in my channel, DannaClau Fitness, okay? So you have to know how to do that, and you also have to know how to do an elbow stand, and this is what it looks like. But it's okay if you do it like very little, but you just have to hold it like at least for 2 seconds like this. 1, 2. Okay, so that's the 2 things that you need to do a elbow cartwheel. Okay, so yeah, the first thing that we're gonna have to do is that we're gonna have to get on our knees like this, but also not like this, because that way you're not gonna have enough to push to do the cartwheel. So it has to be not like this, but like also a good distance, like here, but also don't face the front because it makes it harder. I like to face like an angle or this way, but I like it like the side, but not that much, but like this, okay? And then you have to know how to like go into it, because if you just do this, you're not gonna be able to do it, okay? So you're just gonna do this, and then you're gonna pick up this knee, and you're gonna push to go, okay? And make sure not to straighten them, okay? Like, yes, when you're in the cartwheel, like in the middle, yes, you could straighten it, but here, make sure not to do this, because if not, you're gonna fall forward, okay? So this is the first step. So you have to go here, you have to pick this up, and then you have to go down, and you're gonna push to this, okay? But when you push, make sure to push confident, okay? Because don't push like, because then it's gonna be like very little, and you're not gonna go all the way around, so you're not gonna land like this. You're gonna land like this. And that's not how we wanna land. You also don't have to do this. And you also don't need to, like this is bad, because then when you do a cartwheel, it's gonna be a lot harder and you're gonna fall like this. Okay, so we wanna fall nicely, like not fall like flop, but we wanna land nicely. And also don't do this, because this is not how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be like this, like if you're clapping, okay? And do it not separate it like that. Also don't exaggerate it, but just do it like this, okay? Yeah, like that. Okay, so we're gonna go and then like this and there, okay? And you also have to open it a little more. Like I was telling you to do this for the beginning, okay? But when you go, make sure to do this, okay? So it's like that, like if you're slapping the floor, okay? So it's here, from here, you're just gonna do this, and they're gonna go down like this. You're gonna kick over like that. It's okay if your legs are like that the first time, but your legs, it could be straight. It doesn't have to be bent, okay? So yeah, when you also, this how you put those things together, like, and when you land, make sure not to do this, because they're gonna fall back like this, and you don't want to fall back like that. So just want to clean, like, not clean like that, but you also have to, from here, you just have to whip, like not whip like that, but you have to just from here, go here, okay? You can put your hands on your hips or something, where you're gonna land like this. Or if you want, you can also land like this. If this is easier, you can land like this. But the more prettier way is like this, okay? So I'm gonna show you when you add all of those things together. See, you land like that. And also, this is just a tip. When you go like to the cartwheel, like in the middle of it, don't open your legs like crazy. Cause if you open your legs like this, it's gonna make it a lot harder like it did to me right now. So also not close, but also like that. Because a cartwheel, a regular cartwheel, you don't do it like all the way. So at least like this. And also your hands, please don't be like this. Okay, it's not like this, because if not, you're gonna squish your fingers to the floor, and I don't want that to happen, okay? So just separate them like that. Also not like that, but like this. Also, like if you're slapping the floor. That's how it's supposed to be, okay? So I'm gonna show you it one more time, the good way and the bad way, okay? So first, the bad way. This is when you do all of the wrong things. And it doesn't look good, but we all want it to look good too, like, yeah. And this is how you do it the good way. Okay? And also make sure not to do this with your knees. Like, also like this or like this, but not like this, because it makes it a lot harder to stand up and you might hurt yourself. Okay? So thanks for watching the tutorial, and don't miss any videos that I did in my other channel, DannaClau Vlogs. Okay? Bye! Don't miss any videos.